Hello, today I'm going to talk to you about how to use a tachyon from Terra Tachyon, not just any other tachyon. You should know there are two ways to use them, a passive way and an active way. The passive way is just take a tachyon, place it somewhere near you, place it on your body, or hang it up. For example, if it's a big tree of life like this one, it has a little hole. You can hang it on a string and allow the tachyon to start emanating its balancing quality. You'll feel almost this immediate effect of balance in your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual body, all thanks to the energy of the tachyon object. That is the passive way. If you go with the active way, which I recommend because the tachyon is interactive, there you'll be able to set an intention, to set a purpose, a specific goal for using the tachyon. The tachyon is designed for this. There is an interaction between the user's awareness and the tachyon itself, the tachyon field around the object. How do you do it? It's very simple. Find a quiet spot for a moment where you won't be disturbed by your phone or anything else. Center yourself, take a deep breath, focus on your heart, and take the tachyon in your hand. And give yourself time to feel its weight, its temperature, the sensation of the matter, of the material, and what is happening. Do you feel like holding it in your right hand or in your left hand? At a given moment, do you feel like placing it somewhere on a certain part of your body? Is it inviting you to stand up, to sit down, or to sit in the floor? Allow a little time for this initial communication to take place, this establishing of contact, so you can sense at this moment what is the best way to use your tachyon. For sure, this may change every time you use it. Once you have established something, you will express an intention. Obviously, I always advise using zero-point intention. You can find a detailed explanation of zero-point intention in a different video. So you can have clarity, a greater clarity and greater effectiveness in using your intention with the tachyons. But anyway, set an intention and stay still for a moment. Staying still means staying in the void, not trying to change anything, not thinking about anything, concentrating hard. No, you set in your intention and remain in a moment of void where you are truly still, holding the intention, holding your attention on the tachyon and on your desire, on your intention. When you feel complete, you can step away from here and place your tachyon in a spot where you'll continue to see it and get back to the rest of your life in your day. And it is as simple as that. That is all there is to it. What will happen is that once you've established the intention and the tachyon carries it and amplifies it, you will experience effects. For the effects, I suggest you check our community page to see what effects tachyons can have for you. You'll see that there is a big variety. There are many potential effects on a physical, emotional, mental, and relational level. And I won't even mention, as there are many things we are still discovering about tachyons. You can repeat the process with the same tachyon the next day if you feel there's something more, or if you want to add something else, or if there's a new stage in your process of setting an intention in order to create or manifest something that is present, you can do it. But if not, stay alert. Pay attention to what's happening in your life. Emotional things, encounters, information that comes your way. That is the limitless way the tachyon has of communicating with you and restoring what is needed. If at first you don't have much practice with tachyons and it's a new energy for you, you might feel the tachyon is very strong. You may feel a lot of heat, tingling sensation, or some nervousness. This is normal because your body needs to integrate and adjust a little to the tachyon's energy. You can choose to lower the intensity a little. Visualize a scale from 1 to 10 and see if you're feeling a 10 or 9. You can then set the tachyon with the intention to go down to 3, 4, or 5, and you'll see that it immediately adjusts to what you prefer. And that's all. For anything else, you can visit our website to find out more. Thank you. See you soon.